Good morning, it's Thursday the 7th of April and this is your daily outlook. The euro falls before the ECB interest rate decision. The euro rallied against the dollar yesterday ahead of the European Central Bank interest rate meeting due today at 11:45 GMT. Investors are expecting that the ECB will raise its lending rate by 25 base points in an effort to fight inflation. How the market will react will depend on ECB President's words during the press conference. The question remains whether he will signal further monetary tightening, which may support the euro and send it to fresh highs. The euro broke above the 143 level yesterday and jumped to a 40-month high at 143.47. Later, the pair surrendered some of its gains on the news that Portugal formally requested financial help from the European Union. The pair fell to 142.96 and was last trading at 143.07. The US dollar appears weaker against its major counterparts. Against the Swiss franc, the dollar plummeted to 0.9131 from 0.9295 after stronger inflation data from Switzerland. The Bank of Japan decided to keep interest rates unchanged near zero levels and signalled further easing measures in order to help the country recover from its crisis. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar is trading within a tight range at around 85.30 and the pair was last trading at 85.25. The Australian dollar rose against the dollar after higher than expected data revealed that the economy added 37.8 thousand new jobs in March. Against the dollar, the Aussie rose to a 29-year high at 104.81 from 103.28 trading yesterday. Sterling rallied against the greenback yesterday ahead of the Bank of England's interest rate due today at 11:45 GMT. Investors expect no change will be made to the monetary policy and interest rates will be kept on hold at 0.5%. The pair edged as high as 163.62 but later fell to 162.62, weighed by worse than expected industrial production figures. Oil prices remained elevated, supported by the Libyan unrest, and rose to $109.12 a barrel. Gold rose to $1,461.98 an ounce from as low as $1,451.25. Currencies to watch out for: the sterling dollar and dollar yen. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 162.55 with a preference to enter into long positions at 162.65. The dollar yen pivot point is at 84.70 with a preference to enter into long positions at 84.75. Today's calendar of market movers: Europe ECB interest rate decision is forecast to raise interest rates to 1.25%. UK Bank of England interest rate decision is forecast to keep interest rates unchanged at 0.5%, and US initial job claims forecast to fall to 385,000. Now on to equity markets. US equities were positive yesterday, the S&P 500 trading up 0.22% and the Dow was up 0.27%. European bourses were also positive, with the FTSE up 0.57%, the DAX was up 0.55% and the CAC was up 0.16%. The time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.15% and the Hang Seng was down 0.04%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.